Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to get your Cash App barcode to load money in 2025. If you're using Cash App for quick payments or transfers, knowing how to add funds via a barcode can save you time and hassle. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just someone on the go, this method is straightforward and efficient. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your phone. This ensures everything runs smoothly without any glitches. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Banking or Money tab. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see options for managing your balance. Next, look for the Add Cash feature. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to select an amount you want to add to your account. Cash App makes this easy by suggesting common amounts, but you can customize it. Now, here's the key part. Choose the option to generate a barcode. This will display a unique QR code on your screen that represents your Cash App account. With the barcode ready, grab your phone and head to a participating retailer like Walmart, CVS, or any store that supports Cash App reloads. At the register, show the barcode to the cashier. They'll scan it using their system, and you can then hand over the cash amount you want to load. Double-check the transaction details on their screen to make sure everything matches what you intended. Once the transaction is complete, the funds should appear in your Cash App balance almost instantly. It's that simple. Remember, there might be a small fee depending on the store, so keep an eye out for that. This method is perfect for when you don't want to link a bank account or deal with ATMs. In 2025, Cash App keeps evolving, so always check the app for any updates to this process. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.